Mga marites ni Jongdae.
BTS Jungkook allegedly with 17's Mingyu and Blackpink's Jennie before enlisting. The three idols were allegedly eat out all together at a Korean BBQ restaurant before Jungkook serves his mandatory military service. There was a post on social media platform Threads that went viral after a netizen revealed that they visited a BBQ place that appeared in the vlog of actor Park Sung-hoon, and they saw there Jungkook's signature. According on the post, the staff revealed that the signature was from Jungkook's first visit at their restaurant. The original poster added, the staff said the last time John Jungkook came was before he enlisted, and he came with Kim Min-gyu and Jennie. A fan commented on the post and said, I was so shocked when I heard it.